It's very important for your birds to eat vegetables and fruits. Green vegetables should be offered daily. Because birds need a proper balance of vitamins and minerals. Poor nutrition is the reason for many diseases. You should always provide fresh foods to your birds. Which food birds should eat and which not, please find in the description box. Some birds are scared of large pieces of fruits and vegetables. Try to serve them thin or small pieces in the morning. You should always offer raw. Small amount of herbs can be offered. Most birds enjoy parts of a several diet. Some foods like apple seed, mushroom, ginger, garlic, should not be fed to your birds. Remove what your birds doesn't eat, after 2 hours. Since raw cut vegetables can go bad quickly. It is our responsibility to keep the birds healthy and happy.